How to go live on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to go live on your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook and here go to your page. If you don't know how to get to this page, just click on those three lines and you're gonna find your page beside your profile, and click on pages and you're gonna find your page. Click on those three points beside your page, click on create post, and here you're gonna find live video. Click on it. Like you see now, you can click on go live, and you're gonna go live on your page on Facebook. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.